Hi, welcome back. So far, we have discussed on how to create a database and how to drop a database and corresponding SQL queries. Now, we will be creating a table with an SQL query so as to insert values inside the table. So, SQL query for creating a table is create table keyword, and the name of the table must be typed here. So, let us say we are going to create a table named contacts, open brace and close brace. Inside this brackets we have to type the column definition. So column definition of the column separated by commas. So one column definition must be the name of the column, that is serial number will be the first column, and the data type the column must hold. So serial number will hold integer data type followed by comma for typing the column definition of the next column. So second column is the first name of the user or the customer. So the name will be carrying alphabets, so it is obviously string data type. So string data type will be called as varchar in MySql and SQL kind. Varchar of 50, which means the length of the first name must be less than or equal to 50. So any string that is greater than 50 will not be accepted. In case you need more length, you can add up to whatever number you need. Last name and mobile, and obviously mobile is integer. So this is the query to create a table with required columns. So the query is executed successfully. You can see the table contacts is added to our database. In the table tab you can see the structure of the table, and in the data, in case if there is any data, that will be displayed here. So since we have created the table just now and no values have been added, so it is empty table with only headings displayed. So this is how we need to create a table in MySql. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.